Hello everyone, welcome to our first ICT class of this new academic year. Myself Babita Jeet, I am your new ICT class teacher. Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to the new academic year. I know ICT is your favorite subject. How it is like that? Because through computers we are doing a lot of activities using different technologies and softwares. It seems interesting because day by day we are studying about new things through computer. Students who have computer at their home have to practice all the activities without any fail, okay? Others, nothing to worry. You have to keep a notebook aside and note down all the points so that if you get a chance, you can do all the activities without any fail. Before moving to our topics, just we can discuss about some general information. Our subject name is ICT. Mainly we are dealing with computers. So what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device that accepts input, produces data, stores input, processes data and produces the output. Once more I will tell. Computer is an electronic device which accepts input, processes data, stores data and produces output. What all are the features of computer? It's reliable, portable, it's of high speed, it do multitasking, it reduces manual labor. Lot of features are there, right? Okay. Nowadays, especially in this situation, computers plays an important role. I will tell about one example about our online class. Without computer, mobile or laptop, is it possible to do online class? No. Some of you may be knowing your parents or your relatives or your friends working from home. Is it possible without a computer? No. So computer plays an important role in our daily life. Especially in this situation for registration of vaccination and all, we need computers. So everywhere we need computers. Before moving to our current syllabus and all, just we can memorize about what we have studied last year. Our subject name is ICT. What is the full form of ICT? Information and Communication Technology. It provides access to information through telecommunication. So if anyone is asking, what is ICT? You know what is the full form of ICT. So you can say, you can define also, right? So you will be thinking, what is this telecommunication? Telecommunication includes wireless network, mobile, internet, wired network, etc. What all things we have discussed last year? We have discussed how to write a letter. We familiarize about mathematical figures in computer. We draw pictures using paint. We colored in paint. We study how to color in paint, right? We studied about Audacity. What is Audacity? It is used to edit recordings and sounds. We studied about Turtle Art software, right? I hope you all remember about that. Next, what we have studied? Internet. What is Internet? We are using Internet every day. What is Internet? It's a global system of interconnected computers that uses a single protocol to share information with each other. Next, we have studied about data analysis. For analyzing data, for storing data, which software we have used? Which software we have used? Yes, spreadsheet software. For counting data, for storing, for analyzing and making it in the tabular form, we will be using spreadsheet software. Next one is presentation software. For what purpose is presentation software we are using? It's for making slides. Okay students, hope it is clear. Hope you all remembered about that. So now we can move to our current syllabus. In 8th standard we will be having 2 textbooks for ICT, part 1 and part 2. Each consists of 5 chapters. Chapter 1 is when a letter reach computer. What it is saying? It is saying about how we can type a letter in computer. How we can type in a computer. What is the device that is used to type in computer? You know about that. It's an input device. It is keyboard. Second chapter is the wonderland of pictures. Here we are using an important software named GIMP. GIMP is GNU Image Manipulation Software. It's an editing software. It's a free open source editing software that used to display images, editing text, cropping the images, adding text. A lot of features are there for GIMP. So in the second chapter we will be familiarizing about GIMP. Third chapter is can you type Amma in computer? Amma is a Malayalam word. So in first chapter we studied how to type letters, English letters through keyboard. So in this chapter we will be studying how to type Malayalam in computer. Fourth chapter we will be studying about internet. We just studied in the last year also. So it's a continuation. Fifth chapter is my own computer game. We all are playing games, right? Different types of games we know. So now we can play games in computer. How we can play in computer games in computer? That we will be studying in this chapter. Next chapter is data analysis made easy. You remember about data analysis. Which software is used for analyzing data? that is spreadsheet software. It's a continuation. We will be studying in this academic year also. When large data came, if we got a large data, 100 or 500 list of students, we want to tabularize. We want to count. If you want to make the list of students in ascending order or descending order, it is possible to do it by hand. It's very difficult. So we need computers. So in computer we will be using this software, that is spreadsheet software, for doing that. Another one is laboratory. Laboratory in computer. We heard about laboratories. We done labs in school. How it will be if we do lab in computer? If there is laboratory in computer. So about that we will be studying in that chapter. Next one is 8th chapter. It is presentation made easy, made attractive. We all will be doing the project. You all done project assignment by hand in A4 sheet. We done projects and assignment. We can do projects, assignments, seminars all through digital way, in a digital way. How we can do that? For helping us, we will be using presentation software. We will be creating slides and we will be doing the projects through computer. 9th chapter is Hello Mic Testing. Hello Mic Testing means, from that heading itself we can understand it's related to sound. In last chapter you have studied about Audacity, that is used for, it's a software used for recording sounds, editing recordings and sounds, right? In this chapter also it is related to the sound, how we can input sounds, how we can edit sounds. About this we will be studying in this chapter. At last 10th chapter is My Computer. My Computer. In this chapter we will be studying physical components of computer. About hardware. It is about hardware part. So these are the 10 chapters. This is a small summary about these chapters. So in next class, in detail, we will be studying about first chapter, that is when a letter reaches the computer. In this chapter, we will be doing activities. We will be starting typing in keyboard. We will be start typing sentences through keyboard. Okay students, hope you all understood about it. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. So what all we have discussed yet? Just we go through some general information. We discussed about the main topics that we have studied last year. Just we go through our 10 chapters of this year, right? We just summarize. So what you have to do is just go through first chapter, when a letter reaches the computer. Just practice. The students who have computer at their home, just practice typing through keyboard. In detail we will be discussing in the next class. So hope it is clear. Hope you all understood. If any doubts, please feel free to ask in the next section. Okay. So see you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.